Hi and welcome back to Origami Expressions. Today we're going to fold this. It's a penguin in just 5 folds. Hi and welcome back to Origami Expressions. I'm Russell and today we're going to fold this. It's a 5-fold penguin. This is one of my designs which you can find in my book Origami Made Simple, which is available for pre-order now on Amazon. Origami Made Simple is a book which is aimed at beginners and people who are reasonably new to origami. It has 40 models in it, 30 of which are traditional designs and 10 of which are my own. There are step-by-step instructions in here, each one with written instructions to help you learn to understand how origami diagrams work and the standard notation. Anyway, back to today's model. Okay, so for this model you're going to need a piece of origami paper that is black on one side and white on the other. Not surprising really, since we're talking about a penguin. Now my preferred paper is actually made by a company called Folded Square, and you can get this from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. They do a range of papers of various different sorts and various different colours. I've actually written black on this one. I tend to have some brightly coloured paper and also some pastel coloured paper as well. The reason why I like Folded Square paper is because if you buy origami paper that's too cheap, then the colour can come off as soon as you fold it, and then that can look pretty poor when you're dealing with dark coloured paper like black. Anyway, so to fold the 5-fold penguin, start with the paper on the white side up, and we're going to put a fold in from corner to corner. So try and be reasonably accurate if you can. I'm having to fold this at an angle with my tripod in the way, so the accuracy is going to suffer a little bit, but you want to try and make that as accurate as you can. So once you've got that fold in place, unfold it, and on one side we're going to fold half a kite base. So this edge here needs to go into the center line, but we're only doing that on one side. There we go. So now we fold that back and turn it that way around. Now there's only 5 folds in this model, so already you're more than halfway there. What we're going to do now is we're going to fold this tip down over here, but we're only going to fold it down on one side. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to fold that down like that. I'm only going to put that crease in there. Okay, so you can see what I've done. Just open it up. You can see I've put a crease in just there. I've brought that tip down to over here, that tip down to over there. I've just creased this side here. You can see this one's making a nice soft curve here. So when I bring this down, you're going to leave that soft curve in place. The reason why we want that is because it creates a nice little sort of impression of a head and kind of an eye. So we'll leave that nice soft curve there, like that. And then the last fold in the whole model is turn it over. Don't squash it down, otherwise you'll squash that nice soft fold from the other side. And bring this point here to this point here. Like that. Then when you turn it over, just kind of make it look pretty. There is your 5-fold penguin. So there you are, an origami penguin in just 5 folds. I hope you enjoyed folding that. If you did, please like and subscribe to this channel for more. You can also buy my book, Origami Made Simple. The link is in the description below. More information on my blog, origamiexpressions.com, and my social media channels are also in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.